Hello guys, Satish Tiwari here from Ethical Hacking Tuition Center Jaipur. This is a short tutorial. This video is on how to create or how to use username and password dictionary inside Kali Linux for penetration testing, okay, or bug bounty. First of all, you can see by default there is no username or password dictionary. Go to the cd user share word list. Okay, so you need to go to this directory. Once you go to this directory, run ls command. Here you will find a file rocku.txt.gz. Okay, so you can get this file, you can download this file, very nice one. So just gunzip this file, gunzip. This is a compressed file, so gunzip it, decompress it using gunzip and the name of the file. The file is decompressed. Now you can run ls command and now you can see this is rocku.txt. Now you can copy this file to the root directory, cp rocku.txt to root directory. Why we need it root directory? Because for like easy, we can easily use the path. Okay, so if you keep that this long path, very difficult for you to understand. इतना लंबा पाथ रखेंगे तो बहुत ही मुश्किल होगा, इसीलिए हम इसको शॉर्ट पाथ यानी रूट पे सेव करते हैं. नाउ अगेन you need to go to the another directory, cd user share zone. Okay, inside this you will get another dictionary, that is, you can see password.lst. you can see this one, password.lst. okay, so you need to download this one or copy this one. So copy password.lst to root. Okay, so I have copied this one also to the root. Now if you want any other dictionary, you can also use it. There are so many, but out of this so many, these two are popular. You can also edit this. Let's go to the root directory and see we have these two dictionary, password.lst, rocku.txt. if you see the size of password.lst, you can see its size is only 26 KB, but if you see the size of rocku.txt, you can see the size is 134 MB. It means there are more password inside rocku.txt. So if you see the password file cat rocku.txt, you will see so many password inside this file, popular password and all the possible guessing passwords inside this file. Okay, if you want to stop this, you can press Ctrl C. Now if you want to see the another file, you can type cat password.lst and you can see the number of password inside this file. If you want to edit some dictionary file, you can edit using vim password.lst. okay, now you can edit these lines, you can remove the top lines, and if you want to add some a specific user or password, you can add them from here. Okay, so just I'm going to delete all the unnecessary lines, that all the commented lines from here, and then if you have any password dictionary, you can add another dictionary to this one, or you can add मैनुअली पासवर्ड टू दिस फाइल. आप पासवर्ड को मैनुअली भी इसमें ऐड कर सकते हो. सपोज आपको कुछ पासवर्ड, कुछ यूजर्स इसमें ऐड करने हैं तो आप इसमें भी यूज कर सकते हो. ओके, सो मोस्ट पॉपुलर यूजर क्या होता है? रूट. ओके, सो वी विल ऐड रूट आल्सो. मोस्ट पॉपुलर और यूजर क्या होता है विंडोज के केस में? एडमिन एंड एडमिनिस्ट्रेटर. एडमिनिस्ट्रेटर यूजर विच इज वेरी कॉमन इन विंडोज. सारे विंडोज मशीन के अंदर ये यूजर होते हैं. तो यू हैव टू ऐड दिस वन. मोस्ट कॉमन पासवर्ड 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 5, एवरीथिंग इज इनसाइड दिस वन. ओके, you don't need to do add anything, and then you can save this one like this. If you want to create a user directory, separate user directory, you can create using nano users.txt. okay, and suppose you want some users, popular users like root, admin, administrator. Even if you want your name, you can give your name. Okay, anything you want, you can keep it here. So I have given few names here. Now this is a user directory. Press Y to save and done. Now you can see I have password.lst, rocku.txt, users.txt, which I am going to use them in my upcoming video for penetration testing, for like hacking the credentials of devices like MySQL, FTP server, HTTP server, anything. Okay, so पहले आप इस वीडियो को कंप्लीट करो, बाद में ये बकचोदी नहीं चाहिए कि मुझे ये समझ में नहीं आया, ये समझ में नहीं आया. ठीक है.